Good morning, dear children. As in the last class of social, class 6, we have almost finished the lesson which is from history, the Indus Valley Civilization, chapter number 3. So I have done also some sort of exercise where we have to do like choose the correct answer. In the last class we have finished it. Today, as you can see in the board, I have written the question: write T for true and F for false. So we will be doing true and false. So I will be making you understand in this class later on. So let us discuss what we have done in the last classes of the lesson. So in Indus Valley Civilization, we have learned a lot of things such as major centers of Indus Valley Civilization, extent of the Indus Valley Civilization, as well as the characteristics of the Indus Valley Civilization. In characteristics of Indus Valley Civilization, we have learned about the town planning, how the town was planned during Indus Valley Civilization, and houses, the structure of houses. The houses are made out of burnt bricks. Then drainage system, how was the drainage system? The streets, important sites. In important sites, we have learned about the great baths such as Mohenjo-daro. Then the assembly or the town halls, fire at the dockyards. Then so about society, we have also learned a lot of things. Occupations, and in occupation, as I told you before as well in the last classes, that majority of the people depend on farming as well as trade and commerce. Then we have learned about seals. After that, food. The main food of the Indus Valley Civilization, as I told you before as well, the main food of the Indus Valley people were wheat, barley, and milk products. They ate fruit, vegetable, meat, and fish also. Trade and commerce, sculptures. In sculpture, I told you about dancing girl. The script, as I told you, the Indus Valley people invented the art of writing. They had a pictographic script, but till now it has not been deciphered. No one knows whether it shows what. So, but most of the seals and the Harappan scripts, it is not clear if the script is can be read from right to left or left to right. Now, about religion, as I told you before also, that in a large number of terracotta female figurines have been discovered from various Indus Valley sites. They made us believe that the Indus Valley people worship Mother Goddess. So they basically used to worship Mother Goddess as well as Shiva, the image of Shiva. And they are, because they are nature lover as well, so in their religious belief, they used to worship various elements of nature such as plants or mountains, rocks, etc. Decline of the Indus Valley Civilization. In decline of the Indus Valley Civilization, as I told you, that it is believed that the civilization may have withered away due to natural calamities such as earthquake, flood, or epidemics. The change of course of the river Indus making the land. So the historian believed, the archaeologists believed that the decline of the Indus Valley Civilization because of some sort of epidemics or natural calamities such as flood, earthquake, etc. So this much we have already done in the last classes, and in the last class one exercise from the textual we have done. It is choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer from the given options. Where we have done the first question is the Harappan civilization flourished on the bank of river. So which river we have to choose? As I already done it in the last class, it's Indus. Dayaram Sahni conducted excavation at where? Harappa. Then the Indus Valley people worship the god. Which god they used to worship as Shiva. The great bath is situated in Mohenjo-daro. The Indus Valley people worship the people tree. So the Indus Valley people used to worship people tree as well as many natural elements. Now as well you can see the Indian people used to worship a lot of natural elements such as people tree or tulsi tree or many other mountains and rocks. So today in this class we will discuss about true and false from the textbook from the same lesson. As you can see it is written write T for true and F for false. The first question you can see the Indus Valley civilization belonged to the Neolithic age. So as I told you in the last class while discussing the lesson, I told you that it's not Neolithic age, it's Chalcolithic age where bronze and copper are majorly used. So it is false. Next, the Indus Valley civilization is the largest civilization of the ancient world. True, the Indus Valley civilization is the largest civilization as compared, if you compare to Mesopotamian civilization or Egyptian civilization, it is the largest civilization of the ancient world. True. The third one is the Indus Valley civilization is located by the river Nile. No, it's located by the river Indus, as we have done in the last exercise as well. It should be Indus. So it is written Nile is wrong. False. Fourth one is the Indus Valley people believed in life after death. In the religious belief, the religious point of the characteristics of Indus Valley civilization, as I have already discussed about how they believe, what the belief system. So it is clearly written in the paragraph that they believe in reincarnation. It means life after death. So it should be true. So the Indus Valley people believed in life after death. So it is true. Next, the last one is Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered the city of Mohenjo-daro. True. Yes, Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered the city of Mohenjo-daro. True. So one more time I am repeating the same answers. Listen it properly. The Indus Valley civilization belonged to the Neolithic age. False. The Indus Valley civilization is the largest civilization of the ancient world. True. The Indus Valley civilization is located by the river Nile. False. The Indus Valley people believed in life after death. True. Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered the city of Mohenjo-daro. True. So today in this class we have discussed about true and false of the lesson. In the next class I will be discussing about few question and answers and many more textual things whatever has been given in the last pages of the textbook of the lesson. So till then I want all of the students to go through each and everything whatever has been taught in the earlier classes as well as today. Till then, thank you.